Hello everyone. And can you solve this math problem without any calculator? Yes, it's possible to do this math calculation without any calculator. I can show you how. If you focus on these two numbers, 212 and 188. These two numbers are it's around the number of 200. So we can use this pattern to solve this uh, calculation. Now I can write 212 as 200 plus 12. So it's the square plus, and this one is 200 minus 12 squared. So how can I use this written of numbers like this pattern? Okay, I can show you. If you remember the algebraic mathematical identities, you can remember we have these two formula here. A plus B squared is equals to A squared plus B squared plus 2 times A times B. And if you write A minus B squared is A squared plus B squared minus 2A times B. So if I plus these two equations, then A plus B squared plus A minus B squared then equals to, you can see, 2 times A times B minus 2A times B cancels, and we have 2A squared plus 2B squared. So we can use this formula here. Now A is here equals to 200 and B is 12. Okay. Now this expression equals to 2 times, as this formula here, 2 times A squared plus 2 times B squared. 2 times 200 squared plus 2 times 12 squared. Now equals to 2 times 40,000 plus 2 times 144 equals to 80,000 plus 288, and finally it equals to 8,288, and this is the final result. Without any calculator, you find the final result simply. Thank you for your attention.